In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the IDM extension in Google Chrome. Having this extension can significantly enhance your browser's download capabilities, making it a useful tool for efficiently managing your downloads. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up Google Chrome on your computer. Once you've done that, you'll need to navigate to the address bar right at the top of your browser window. Here, type in IDM integration module and press enter. This will initiate a search for the IDM extension, which is essential for integrating the Internet Download Manager with your browser. Now, this part is crucial. When the search results appear, you'll want to click on the very first link that shows up. This link will typically direct you to the official page or a trusted source where you can find the right extension. By ensuring you select the first result, you minimize the risk of stumbling upon unreliable or unsafe sites. After clicking on that first link, you'll arrive at a website where you'll see a list of instructions or options. Here, look for the link that's marked under number 2. Go ahead and click on it. This link is crafted specifically to take you to the next step seamlessly, guiding you towards the official Chrome Web Store page for the IDM extension. Once you're redirected, you should now be on the Chrome Web Store. This is the place where you can find official Chrome extensions. You'll see a page specifically for the IDM integration module. On this page, you'll notice a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Click this button to start the installation process. A prompt will then pop up, asking you to confirm your decision to add the extension. You'll need to click on Add Extension to proceed. By confirming this, you are allowing the IDM integration module to integrate with your Google Chrome browser, making it ready to enhance your download operations. Give your browser a few moments to download and install the extension. Once the extension is installed, you'll typically see an IDM icon appearing somewhere in your browser, usually in the top right corner. This indicates that IDM is now successfully installed and ready to use with Chrome. That's all there is to it. You now have a powerful tool integrated into your browser to help manage and optimize your downloads. By following these simple steps, you can ensure a smoother, more efficient downloading experience. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.